Good morning. Nice and dark outside, but I am getting ready for a bike ride. Got the bottle ready, making some tea. I'm excited. Let's go. Starting the day nice and early. Wow, beautiful. Doing it.
Second of all, I like it in my own person, not in whoever Apple tells me. I just think Apple's easier for like older people like my grandma. Yeah. Who are always asking for help. Yeah, for people who like Android. Are you there?
Got Wesley over here. We got two white Cervelos.
Same with my wife. Like, I'm glad she got me Apple.
Two black Cervelos. And a mutt. Some mutt.
Can't do anything anyway. We cannot open another one, maybe.
Yes.
He had something. Apparently, I had a
Successful day. Got my bike in. Had a great time hanging out with the crew. We had a good time. We did 26 miles.